Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, the much anticipated controller has arrived, as you see. It's actually quite small. Has a rheostat on the front, on, off, and that is it. So I've wired it directly to a 12-volt car battery and a magnetic lock-on. On the rail, we have a Lionel 2025 and 16 Lionel cars. Now, the nice thing about this controller is it gives you full control of this battery, and you still have full control of the locomotive. You have neutral, reverse, neutral, and of course forward. And you can control this from an absolute crawl, as you see, to full speed. It works exactly like an AC transformer as far as speed control. So this opens lots of possibilities for running trains where there is no power available. This works on Marx and Lionel. The E unit works on a Marx, and the 3-position E unit works on the Lionel as well. This works really, really well. It gives you full control of the power, as you see. So if you wanted to do a display of some kind where there was no power available, this is the way to do it. Running on a 12-volt car battery, as you see. The controller is $10 with free shipping. It's a simple 4-wire connection, 2 wires going to the battery, 2 wires going to the track. As you see, it gives you absolutely full control of the locomotive. You can slow it down to an absolute crawl, as you see. Or you can crank it up. There's full speed. All right, turn it back down. And like I said, you have full control of the E unit as well. Neutral, reverse, neutral, and forward. Absolutely full control. So you can have this thing literally crawling around the rail, as you see. That's pretty slow. Much slower than you can run it on an AC transformer, that's for sure. And there is no AC buzz when you're activating the E unit. It's actually quite interesting. So anyway, the controller has arrived. $10 on eBay. Free shipping. And you can actually get them cheaper if you want to wait for them to come from China. But as you see, this actually works really, really well. There's neutral. Reverse. Neutral. And forward. So a really, really simple application that opens lots of possibilities. If there's no power available, you can still run your trains on a 12-volt car battery. It works with Marx, it works with Lionel, it even works with electronic E units rather than mechanical E units. But as you see, it actually works. It's small, it looks nice, it's easy to mount on the layout. Like I said, simple 4-wire connections, 2 wires going to the battery, 2 wires going to the track. So it works exactly like an AC transformer as far as controlling the speed. This can handle up to 40 amps. So no problem running these trains at all. That 2025 is heavy, pulling 16 cars. And I would imagine this car battery will run this for hours, possibly days. neutral, and reverse. As you see, neutral and forward. So this works really, really well. It's simple, it's easy to connect. 2 wires going to the battery, 2 wires going to the track, and you have full control just as if you were running it on an AC transformer. So it's really, really simple, it's really, really small, it's really, really cheap, and it's easy to connect. So when I saw this, I had to buy one and try it. So the layout running on a 12-volt car battery, and as you see, running really, really well. Take it a bit faster. So no problems with this at all. And it gives you full control of the speed, just as if you were running it on AC. As you see. Neutral, reverse, neutral, and forward. So a simple application. It's really inexpensive. Best of all, of course, is the fact that it works. And you have control from absolute zero to full power. So this is working really, really well, as you can see. Anyway, I'll be doing some follow-up on this. I just wanted to do a quick video. Just got this today. It's raining here today. It's going to be raining all day, so the perfect day to stay in and run trains. So I've got to open up this hole in the back of the plastic case for more room for those wires. It's just a snap-together plastic case with a rather large circuit board in it. But the nice thing about it, of course, is the fact that it works. It works with Lionel. It works with Marx. It gives you full control of the locomotive, including the E-unit. As you see, this is a good-sized battery. Fully charged, this should run for hours, days, very likely. A lot of current in this battery. This locomotive isn't drawing that much. But the nice thing about it, of course, is it gives you the opportunity of running a train where there is no power available at all. It's inexpensive, it's really simple 4-wire hookup. Best of all, of course, is the fact that it works. You have full control of the speed, just as if you were using an AC transformer. This works really, really well. It was $10. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's simple, it's inexpensive, and best of all, of course, is the fact that it works, and it allows you to run your layout when there is no power available. Opens lots of possibilities for doing demonstrations or perhaps shows of some kind where there is no power available. And you don't need a generator, all you need is a car battery. You use a deep cycle marine battery, you'd probably run this truck or this train for, I have no idea, I haven't done a test on actually how long it will run, but if this draws 2 or 3 amps, you're looking at hours of being able to run this train. So a lot of current in this battery, no doubt about that. This thing is really, really inexpensive. It's really, really cheap. 4-wire connection. It works. That's the neat thing about it. So neutral, reverse, neutral, and of course forward. And you can run this at a crawl, or you can really crank on the power, as you see. It isn't very big, and it's really inexpensive. $10 with free shipping. Really difficult to beat that. So let's stop it there. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video Just got this. I got here about 2 hours ago. Just got it hooked up, wired directly to a fairly good sized car battery, as you see. The unit itself is really, really small. It's really, really inexpensive. Best of all, it works. It gives you full control of the layout running on a 12-volt car battery. Really difficult to beat that. It works with Lionel. It works with Marx. It works with electronic E-units. It works with mechanical E-units. It's best of both worlds. You can run it on AC. Now you have the chance to run your entire layout on DC, running it off a 12-volt car battery. Really difficult to beat that. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.